Alright, we're going to talk about hemorrhoid pain. There are several ways to treat the pain. You could take what's called a sitz bath, which is basically a fancy name for saying a shallow, warm bath. It just needs to be full enough to cover your bottom as you sit in it, and that should soothe the pain quite a bit. You don't need to add anything to the sitz bath, although you can if you want to. Generally, it's best if you don't have bubbles or any kind of soap, because that can irritate the area. The point is to just soothe it and relax it and gently cleanse it. So a sitz bath is one option for you. Another option would be aloe vera juice. A common mistake many make when they choose to go with aloe vera juice is they use an aloe vera jelly or a juice that is strongly diluted. You want to have the 100% aloe vera juice for when you apply it so that it will work as effectively as possible. Aloe vera juice has had lots of success for providing relief, and so all you need to do is get the 100%, dab it on a cloth, and then dab it on the inflamed area. Cypress oil will work much the same way. It's been said to have given instant relief to those who suffer with the pain. Cypress oil is not the most common thing around, though. It's seldom heard of by many others that I've spoken to. Cypress oil is a natural oil that you can get at your local health food store, and it comes in very, very small bottles, but all you need is a drop or two. You apply it. I would dilute it first with a couple of drops of water just to make sure, but then you dab that on a piece of cloth and then dab it onto the inflamed area. If that doesn't give you as much relief as you would like, you could try doing it without diluting it, but either way it should give you relief. A trick that others have done is to wet toilet paper before wiping. That makes it less irritating to your inflamed area. And then also another key that is often overlooked is drinking water. Drinking water is the most natural stool softener we have, and if you're not straining to make a bowel movement, then you will not be in as much pain. So that's a great natural way to treat your pain. The problem with those options, though, is that they are only temporary. Pain is pain. It's not desirable. So it is important that you treat it. However, it's more important to get rid of the pain and, more importantly, the cause forever. So as long as you're not just treating the pain and actually going after a cause, you'll be able to have long-term hemorrhoid relief. Taking a long-term approach. Well, don't worry, it's not like you'll have to suffer with the pain throughout that. You can try the other options that I discussed while you're doing the long-term approach. Or how about a long-term solution that also treats the pain? You want one that's natural, you want one that's safe with few to none of the side effects you hear about, and also one that's proven. Time is of the essence when you're dealing with hemorrhoid pain. The one that I would suggest has ingredients like witch hazel that will relieve your pain, but also contains other ingredients that will heal your internal problems. What other ingredients, you may ask? Butcher's broom, white oak bark, stone root, cayenne, and ginger are all natural herbs that will help to improve your circulation, cleanse your blood and bowels, strengthen your veins, and soothe your inflammation. It's really a winning combo because it gives you both relief and healing. You can get this remedy at hemorrhoidharry.com. That's www.hemorrhoidharry.com. Hemorrhoidharry.com has a ton of free information. They've got a blog with tons of entries, all things hemorrhoid related. They've got question and answer section, customer reviews, all sorts of good stuff out there for you. So check it out, hemorrhoidharry.com, see if they can help you, and best of luck with your situation.